action, but I want to be informed, so I know what is happening in the business. Okay, all right. Which division want to recruit one more staff? I want to be informed, so I can configure just before me. Okay. Which key people go on leave? I want to be informed. Okay, not all 300 staff I keep before me. Okay, all right. My big boss, whoever claims above 10,000, you want to know, automatically informed. Then you can click and see what you claim, etc. Okay, I can change my HR information. I can apply leave, as I say, even from hospital bed, no more excuse. Okay, unless you're in the ICU. Approve travel request as soon as possible to save online aggregate cost purchase. Alright. You approve now, you purchase now, it's cheaper than you approve 3 days later, you buy 3 days later. Submit over time, check status of your claim. Staff check status of the claim. No need to go and ask HR, what happened to my claim? Oh, start at that supervisor table. Alright. So all these things are unproductive times, wasting everybody's time. Checking where is it, why so long, why is still not approved, and all these kind of things. Okay, check your duty roster, check your downline information, and then there's a special icon, we call it management information for the big boss or the senior manager. Okay, so if you've got my big boss can see we have 14 companies, each company what is the overhead. Okay, alright, and then he can see who are the top 10 claimants for the month. So you are there on top, you need to call why your claim so high. See, once in a while, the management do it, then the downline, our bosses are very on in the fingertips. You overstaff, you be notified why you're overstaffed with this. What is the reason? We budgeted 5, you employ 6. Then the downline can say, oh, we have 2 more additional projects. So this is how we make use of innovation. Okay. So basically, without taking a lot of your time, alright, we personally use the same HR software. Alright. So all the processing, in terms of operation and strategy, you can take it, every software does that. Okay. So the differences today are making ourselves productive. Now we are introducing the same software to the market. How we can transform the HR from traditionally a cost center, okay, just do processing leave claims and all the other things, generate payroll, to become a strategic part of the organization, okay, and it's very strategic to us now, alright. And one of the example, one of the project in America, okay, the production line, okay, they want the system to already tell who are absent. And by 8:15, the production supervisor will take whatever action to ensure that production line are not affected. Okay. So we are continuously looking into what area or angle we can use smartphone as an extension of software to improve ourselves. And you can also do the same in your organization. Okay. That's why today we coming in without, instead of just buy another HR software, please check into your organization, do some brainstorming. How can we put it in any application, put into the smartphone, and then the company efficiency in doing the business can be improved to the next level. Instead of just another HR processing leave claims and move claims. And this is what basically the difference and why we call our software Smart HR. Okay, any questions?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here regarding the price of 100 for the first 100 employees, right?
Yeah.
Each additional employee is going
A month. Just a
to
month. So it's on a monthly basis. Yeah.
So, these are great software. What kind of guarantee would we have for the customers that you're going to stick around as long as we sales, after sales service?
Okay. IPCA is a listed company in Asia. We have been around for the past 28 years, since 1987. Alright. We have offices in all the major cities in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, China, all the way to South Africa. And of course, to answer your question, first thing we are listed. Okay, that gives us the long-term stability.
Umbrella company?
If not, MSC will have. If you read the stock market, last year we are the fastest growing company in terms of stock price in the world. Right. So that will give you an assurance that the fact that we are able to produce a latest HTML5 touchscreen technology type of software. So you find that we are a company that invests in research and development. Okay, maybe I just skip one to show you company market. So this is our corporate profile, alright. Our office is in PJ, alright. We are basically set up listed in 2003, 1987, so we are basically 28 years today, alright. And this is where we are established. Today we have all branches, okay, inclusive of Ipoh, Malacca, and Miri, all that. Right. We also have an R&D office in South Africa, and we listed. Okay. In terms of technology, to give you the assurance. Okay. In 1987, we started with Unix. Okay. Then we moved to Power Windows client server. Alright. Then we go into .NET. .NET is web-based. Okay. Right. And HTML5 is basically we are talking about fully touchscreen, web-based, and run on any devices. .NET cannot run on smartphone, cannot run on iPad, etc. HTML5, yes. Okay, alright. Stable computing, that's what we're talking about. Okay. And this technology called HTML5 will be probably the next 15 years will be under this. Okay. The next one, we don't know what is it yet, right? Because HTML stands for hypertext, that means it's still text-based. Right? When you use it to develop application, there's still certain limitations. So in terms of technology, things are moving. Alright. So these some colleagues, some clientele in Malaysia are using our HR software at this point in time. Okay. So these are some examples of the customers using it. Okay. Alright. And in terms of after sales support, we have a local full-fledged office in JB, alright, the Permas Jaya, alright, and we own the building, so it's our building for so we always be here in JB. And we have been in JB for the past 20 years, we have 20 years we have our presence here. And we continue to do research and development to enhance the product. That's why you can see we have a smartphone incorporated. Any other questions? So that we don't take too much of the time. So if not, then let me say thank you very much. Hopefully the next meeting we can sponsor your meeting. We do it in a proper venue. Alright, and then we provide the tea break and the lunch together. Thank you.